Hello, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to universal switch using both volume up and down keys in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First, we will go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options. And in accessibility options we have advanced settings menu. And here it is, volume up and down buttons. Right now, as you can see, we have our live transcribe, but let's turn it off and let's use universal switch. Yes, allow. And now our shortcut should be working. So let's test it. Volume up and volume down for 3 seconds. Yes, as you can see, our function can't be turned on this phone, but shortcut is working. Goodbye.